Hello everyone. Am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a great smile. Yes. So chalo, without delay, let's learn this beautiful craft which is made out of absolutely waste material. And I will turn my camera towards the material and you will be able to see this all waste material we are going to use for creating today's very useful material. Okay? Yes, so let me tell you about material which we prepared today. See, this is called Eco Brick. You can see here the wrappers of tablets. We can see here, plastic bottles. And normally when we cut pouches and we open the packing which we order online, so this kind of sellotape we normally throw off. This is gift paper. When we open any gift, the gift paper is again of great danger to environment. We simply throw off. But here you simply stuff it inside and it has become a solid brick. Now it is very strong. If you want to make something on which you want to sit or you want to keep a heavy planter, so your base should be heavy. If you will use empty bottles, then what will happen? It will collapse. But if you will make it eco brick, it will help you two ways. First, it will be all the waste and things which are very dangerous for animals, especially these medicine wrappers. They are so sharp and pointed. We simply throw it with wet garbage, and their animal want to eat, and this hurt their mouth, and it was cuts even in mouth. So better to use it for making this kind of eco brick, and now this bottle has become like a brick. You can't even press it from anywhere. And it is that. So now if you will use these for making our material, it will be strong enough to bear the weight. So if you are having empty bottle, Anushka, don't worry if you have empty bottle. Anushka Mishra, I can see you have empty bottles. It's okay. You can use it. Use today empty bottles, but next time you can make eco bricks. है ना? And we are going to keep this portion lower side, so you can even do filling afterwards also. So today, those who are not having these eco bricks, not to worry, they can start making it with empty bottles. It's okay. At least you will learn and reuse empty bottles. But now, waste plastic, earbud plastic stick is there, and even your toothbrushes you can put inside, because my dear children, it's all going in ultimately finally in oceans, and you won't believe more than half of India's surface, this much big island has been already made and created with waste plastic of all over the world in Pacific Ocean. So this is not a simple thing, a complete island of plastic. And you know what? Its nanoparticles are spreading all over in oceans. And very soon we will be drinking water. In coming few decades, we all will be drinking water. So let's be very wise to handle, and eco brick is the best solution. Okay? So it will make it like a brick. It is so strong. If you will make any structure, it will not collapse. So all the plastic which your Zung dealers are not taking, you can use them all here. Okay, small bit of paper, small, when you open a small biscuit wrapper, so what happened? That wrapper Zung dealers will not take. Keep it inside, and then when if you will sell this bottle to give to this bottle to Zung dealer, they will accept it happily. So today material required is 3 bottles. If you don't have eco bricks, empty bottles also you can use. Okay? The only difference is if it will be eco brick, and you will be able to reuse the waste of small plastic pieces, and secondly, it will become strong enough. So if you will keep a heavy, if you want to make, you want to sit, you can also sit, and it will be capable enough to bear the weight. So shall we start? Show me a thumbs up with smile. जल्दी से एक थम्स अप बड़ी सी स्माइल के साथ, क्योंकि आज जो भी बच्चे हमारी क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हो, दोज हु आर अटेंडिंग आवर क्लास, दे आर सोल्जर्स. They have come up with the spirit to save environment. Okay, so and learn, and please share this with all your friends. You will get the video also. Share this video with all your friends so that together we can reuse waste plastic. Very soon I will keep a shoe rack using waste plastic bottles. Okay, so now start collecting bottles. Okay, now what else? We need a sellotape. You can see it's 2 inches broad. 2 inches broad. If you have 1 inch, then also it's okay. So sellotape we need, and okay, and scissors. And you want to make the top, like you want to make a table to keep your planter or something now. So you can either use uh, this kind of thing for surface, है ना, ऑफ टेबल के ऊपर टॉप हम इससे बना सकते हैं, ऐसे डिस्पोजेबल वेस्ट. यू कैन यूज अ प्लेट, यू कैन यूज अ ट्रे, है ना, और यू कैन यूज this also. Last class we all learned this Lippen art. So for I am going to use this as the top of my table. This is Lippen art. This will be the top of my table. And we learned this last class, and it is made on a piece of cardboard. So you can use anything for making its base. This also could be used for making the top of the table. So anything which is stiff enough, you can use for making the top of the table. And we are using this if you want to use any thick container. Suppose you have a broad container, a waste plastic bottle. So you can use that container also for making table. Okay? Yes. For example, I will show you. Suppose this is a waste container. This is a waste container, plastic container. If I will fill waste plastic, put its cap, and will put the top, it will be a small table. And I say it is going to be a small table to keep your art pieces or something. So chalo, let's get started and let's learn how to prepare it. Okay. So first what we will do, we will keep all the stuff on another side, and we will start with 3 bottles. Today's craft is very simple. See, this is again one hand weaved tablecloth. This is with waste wool. So I'm going to use this for covering up the bottles. You can use this if you have a piece of socks or lace, or if you want to do clay work, if you want to paint it with acrylic paint, whatever you feel like to do, you can do. Okay? So chalo, let's get started. So the very first thing you will do, your bottles are ready now. You can simply make them stand like this, and if you have any rubber band, you can put a rubber band. If you don't have, then also it's okay. You can simply put your 3 or 4 bottles. 1 or 2 bottles will not work. At least 3 bottles you should have. So see, I kept my bottles this way, standing position. Okay. If you have any big rubber band, like I use this discarded rubber band for this, I will simply make it compact. Otherwise, you can make them stand close to each other. And now my work of sellotape will start. It will hardly take much time, and a very little time. And you can use a big container also, thick container also. So now you can make your table, small table, corner table, plant stand. And in balcony, you need planters, plant stands, so that you can do the cleaning properly. So here, this cap part will go lower side. So here we have space to clean. These are going to be the legs. So here the water can flow and you can even clean it. So this will come this way. So either you can place your planter directly, or you can place anything, any surface you have, and a table will be ready. Okay. So chalo, let's get started. Whatever you have available, you are going to use that. So I will open my sellotape and I will start with the work. Just a minute. Okay. So if you have any rubber band of this kind, you can simply, yes. And now we will start with the work. So here you can see this. See here, your sellotape should be thick enough. Okay. And make sure that if your bottles will not be on same surface, then what will happen? It can get like disturbed. The surface can get disturbed. So you can simply make them stand like this. Hold it tight. and then move your sellotape around. Once it is done, then it is quite easy to do. Once if it is done, then I will keep doing it again and again. ठीक है? तो चलो, let's get started with. So the very first thing to keep it compact is going to be sellotape. Okay? And if you have, suppose you are making a broad table, so with glue gun also you can do its pasting first, and then sellotape coat is very important, because it will keep it compiled together and strongly stuck with each other. Either whether you're using Fevicol or glue gun, but sellotape coating is must. Okay. So here you can see I opened. I will simply make it connected with each other, and then I will start with my coating. For this, you can take little help of your mom, so that one can hold and one can move it around. Otherwise, you can put rubber bands, 2 or 3 rubber bands. The rubber bands will keep them compact. And this is the way I will make it round, round, and round like that. Very nicely it's done. Now I will go slightly upper side, and I will try to put it everywhere till upper side. Let this rubber band go inside. Yeah. And it's a thick coat of sellotape to make them compact and firmly stuck with each other. And yes, this is the last. Yes. Here you can see we nicely pack it like a mummy. Okay, see, it's ready. Now it could be a jar. Suppose you have a big plastic container. Suppose you have this. So you can simply use this. You can cover it and you can place your table. It will become a table. So you can use anything available for making. Any kind of bottle, any kind of things could be used. And eco brick will be strong enough. Now these bricks are very strong because they fill it completely. So even if you will sit now, it will not collapse. It will bear your weight also. You can make a small flat stool. And for your lawn, lightweight tables. If you want to make something for your sitting, then use 8 to 10 bottles. 8 to 10 bottles, and you will connect more bottles. And if you want to connect them with glue gun with each other, you can even do pasting with each other also. So see, this is the way it is done. And many times we have socks or something else. So that can also be used. If you have something of this kind and you feel that you want to do its pasting this way, so that will be easy. See, this is a old socks, which I feel like to cover up. So you can use this also for covering up the surface. So anything could be used. I will show other ideas also. But this was one old socks, and I simply cover it up this way, and it is nicely wrapped, see, without much efforts. So this kind of old socks can also be used for this kind of things. Okay. Otherwise, you can find what creative you have. You can even paint it and put some clay work. And if you feel that you want to move one thread or a rope or a soothly around for making it looking elegant, if you feel I want to do pasting of ice cream stick, you can. And if you feel I simply want to do, or if you feel you have something of this kind and you want to wrap it around, for giving this kind of look, you can even do this. And this kind of anything you have which is quite creative, then you can use this also for making the it looking more beautiful. So anything you have available and waste could be used here. Okay, come on, do this. Okay. So this kind of pieces of socks. These days, like socks, so many socks, the elastic get loose and it got discarded. So you can use that also. This is better than this. So I will prefer using this for, yeah. So I will simply take it out and I will make this beer. It's beautiful and more neat. And the texture is also appealing. Woolen texture it will be having. है ना? Yeah. So see, this is the way we completed. And now, last but not the least, your top. And your table is ready. See, this is going to be your table. This is your table. Now, see, it could be used two ways. If you want to keep this portion down, you want to clean, like you feel that the cleaning should happen nicely. You want to make it as your planter. So you can, these are going to be three legs and this is the top. It could be anything you have available. See, these are legs. Now from here, this portion of legs, water can easily go. Suppose this is your planter. You are keeping it balcony to be through these legs. You can clean. Water can drain out. है ना? These are going to be legs. This is that socks. This is the top on which you can place any of your thing, any decorative stuff. And if you will use 5 to 6 bottles, you can even sit over. And this is your craft ready. Okay, now it's up to you that what ways you want to make your bottles looking more creative. Do you want to paint it? Do you want to do some clay work? And what ways you want to do it? If you have a piece of chatai or something of this kind, and a sutli, if you now it's completely your efforts. What ways you are going to make this bottom part looking decorative? And this mandala we learned last class, so I use it as the top of the table and these are legs. And now this view will give you clear idea that how it's looking. Okay. And we kept it very simple so that here if you feel that you want to keep a tray, suppose you have a tray, serving tray, and many times we have so many trays, and any old tray, it could be steel tray or ceramic tray which is of no use, or any plate, and all the plates of set has are been broken, only one plate is left of no use. You can use that also as top of it. Okay, and then you can place your planter, your showpiece, anything in corner. If my bottles were quite small. If you will use long bottles like 1 liter or 2 liter bottle, your table will be long enough and the height will increase. Okay, and for making it more strong, you will increase the number of bottles. So any kind of bottle, if you have this kind of any kind of bottle could be used for making this kind of uh, table. Okay, and this is the simplest way for creating your plant stand. If you have suppose you are using a cardboard, suppose you have a cardboard, है ना? So in that case it should be thick enough and stiff enough. If it is loose and not, है ना, whatever you are using should be stiff and thick. Like see, this we can use. I will show this also. So if I'm going to use this, I will show you. And if I'm going to use this, first I will do its pasting properly, or I will simply. Acha, if you don't want to use this part, if you don't want to use this, you can place your thing directly over it. You directly on it, you can keep a container or a planter or whatever. Okay? So it's not like a surface is needed. You can keep it directly. Otherwise, see, this is my table ready. Now, what ways you want to decorate? If you want to decorate it with painting or color, or you simply want to put your mat over, table mat over, it is ready and thick enough. Okay? So this is the way of making your table. It's a simple, and in no time it will be ready. Okay? But the most important part of your table is going to be how you put it together with sellotape. Very nicely compact, more bottles you are using, and make sure, like, take help of mom or others, and even you can put little Fevicol inside if you feel, or your glue gun after it's pasting. You can put glue gun after pasting. Okay, put glue gun. So what will happen? Glue gun will keep it connected. But this complete wrapping of sellotape is needed. Without this, it will not happen. Very nicely, you will wrap it around with sellotape, and this is our today's table. I found this kind of many times. Any wall piece, or cardboard, you can use that also. Mm, any thick book, which is not in use, you can even keep that as surface of table. Many times we have books also. So we are not in use, it's for since long. So you can use that also for making the top of the table. I will show, I have one. I will show you. Yes, the purpose behind covering up this is so that you can understand. First of all, you will start using. See, this is a book. This is a notebook. Can be kept, and then you can keep anything you feel like to keep. Okay? You can cover it, you can paint it. Here, like, creativity is going to be yours. Okay? And if you will use any ceramic tray, then nothing is needed. Or any this kind of wall piece you have which is not in use, you can use that too. Anything you will have to see around with a creative look. And many times cardboard based wedding cards you keep receiving, that can also be used for making it. And this is all about, if you don't want to cover your bottle, you want to keep it as it is. Suppose you want to make planters for your balcony, if you want to make planter with of your balcony, so you can simply make this kind of set of three. Over that you can keep a wooden plank or any other thing you have, and you can place your plants. So not to waste money in purchasing planters, rather you can make using waste bottles. So it's not like, yeah, that covering the bottle is very compulsory. You can keep it as it is also. Okay? And see, in no time, your table is ready. So let's think around this plastic. This one time plastic is very dangerous. And when you start making eco brick, you will be surprised that a complete big bag waste plastic, it goes in one bottle, and make it strong enough like eco brick. Okay. One story I will frame on plastic. One environmental scientist, Moore, was once was traveling and was surprised to see all of a sudden one bottle was floating on surface, and suddenly a thought came that from where this bottle came and where it is going. So, like, without any planning, he started chasing that bottle. And when he kept chasing bottle, he wanted to see in what direction this bottle, plastic bottle, is going. It was a disposable bottle, one-time plastic bottle. He was surprised when this bottle, because of the particular pattern of current of ocean, that bottle kept traveling, and afterwards in a particular at a particular place where since long there was nothing but plastic. And this is the island I was talking about in Pacific Ocean, Can you imagine? Its surface area is half of India, like complete India's surface. Half of it is the area of this island, which is made of waste plastic. Another, he was surprised to see this, and then he decided to reveal, and then he told everyone that this is happening. Okay, so then everyone came to know that this is happening and something should be done for this. Okay, so this is our complete work, and I can see like Vaishnavi completed. She kept a bowl over to make the surface, and who else? Miraya. Yes, start doing. Miraya prepared eco bricks. I can see Shivani. Shivani's work is on. She's pasting a plate over, and she used a box, a flat box, for making the lower portion. Very good. And you can use anything for making. And now you will have to see around what creative thing you have around to cover plastic bottle. You want to keep it as it is. You want to use laces. You want to use waste dupattas. You want to use ice cream sticks. Try to reuse things. But the only thing you need to understand, reuse things. When we purchase things from market directly or indirectly, we are creating more garbage. So our aim, our purpose is to reuse waste stuff. Okay. And using this kind of eco bricks, even a complete अलमारी कैन बी मेड, शू रैक कैन बी मेड, है ना. ऐसी अलमारी होती है ना जिसमें कई सारे खाने होते हैं, जिसमें बुक्स रख सकते हैं. इन बॉटल से हम वो भी बना सकते हैं, है ना. तो लेट्स लर्न, let's teach others, and let's help environment. Okay, so this is all about, and I can see beautifully using the available stuff. Once the idea students get, and then they use the stuff. I can see Devansh, and Devansh wrapped the bottle. It was a single bottle, I think, and nicely with pink color fabric, and a beautiful plate is kept above. वाओ, है ना. तो देखो, एक बॉटल से उन्होंने ये बनाया है, इतना सुंदर लग रहा है. और ऊपर जो प्लेट रखी है वो इतनी अच्छी पैटर्न है. इसमें अगर कोई प्लांटर रखेंगे तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है कि पानी से वो खराब हो जाएगी. इट इज अ सिरेमिक प्लेट, आई थिंक, और प्लास्टिक प्लेट, है ना. तो देवांश, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. योर मॉम इज आल्सो विथ यू. यस, ट्राई टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. हाँ, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. आई एम नॉट एबल टू हियर यू. And I'm very happy to see that my small soldiers, they have taken one step towards saving the environment. And once you will get idea, then your own creativity will start looking for creative things in all things which could be reused. है ना? This is what I want all of you to switch on to. So please, my team member will spotlight you. Yes, Vaishnavi Uday. Ma'am, please unmute yourself, Vaishnavi Uday. And this upper surface, you can either do its pasting with glue gun or Fevicol, or you can simply place it like this. Yes, please try to unmute yourself. Neha, please check.
Hi, ma'am. Devansh is already unmuted.
Devansh, come on, try to speak. You're unmuted already. Yes, I can hear you. Hello? Yes, I can hear you, Devansh. Maurya.
Ma'am.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Yes, just wanted to know the feedback, like this kind of craft activities which are conducting, how much students are enjoying, and what is your feedback for this, like this kind of artwork, craft which we are covering up with waste material. We want to know a little of your feedback about.
Yes, ma'am. अच्छा है.
अच्छा, और बच्चे एंजॉय करते हैं यानी वेस्ट में से बनाना?
मैम अभी तो फर्स्ट टाइम है इनका.
अच्छा.
बट ही इज लाइक.
अच्छा, नहीं तो
Yes,
देवांश, इस तरह से आप अब बॉटलों को में अब क्रिएटिविटी देखोगे, और इस तरह के छोटे छोटे प्लांट स्टैंड, है ना, आप कॉर्नर टेबल बना सकते हो. ज्यादा बॉटलों को ऐड करके आप बैठने के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टूल बना सकते हो, है ना, उस पे गद्दी डाल के इस पे इसका अगर आप 8, 10 या 12 बॉटल्स को कंपाइल करते हो तो एक छोटा सा कॉर्नर में बैठने के लिए अरेंजमेंट बन सकता है इस पे गद्दी डाल के, है ना। तो ऐसा ही नहीं है कि सिर्फ टेबल बनती है, इससे बहुत कुछ बन जाता है। ओके, तो आप जरूर ट्राई करना। ओके,
ओके मैम, बोलो तेजी से
ओके
बोलो।
मैम।
अच्छा, और आज का क्राफ्ट सीखने में मजा आया?
यस मैम।
अच्छा, अब मैं वैष्णवी उदय जी से बोलूंगी। प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। अनायशा दुबे, यस, हमारे साथ है ना, मैं देख रही हूँ आपका काम।
हेलो मैम।
हेलो, हाउ आर यू?
मैम, आई एम फाइन।
अच्छा, हाउ वाज द क्लास? एंजॉय इट?
आई लव द क्लास।
Okay, that's amazing. Now reuse bottles, okay? Create this kind of many creative items, okay?
Ma'am, I want to show you something.
Okay. Oh, wow. You used a bottle. Very good. That's what I want all my children to do. Very nice. Creative work. So you have started reusing and repurposing waste material, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the way we can save our environment. Anaisha and Ikra. Yes, both are spotlighted. Try to unmute yourself so that we can talk and have the feedback. Please try to unmute yourself. Anaisha, Ikra, Mirza.
Hi, ma'am. So,
Hello.
Ikra, daily participant of your class on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So, she enjoys the class with your stories, and
Wow.
though she is very, very active and a hyperactive child, I would say, but still, I'm sure your class ensures that she sits one full hour and completes the drawing and never gets up in between. So, I
Wow.
your class.
Wow, that's amazing. Ma'am, I want to know little about this effort, small efforts of ours towards saving environment. So we
Yes.
want to know little about your feedback, like how these classes are helpful, because your suggestions are.
Yeah, ma'am. It's wonderful when we teach children that it's not. See, today's children have the luxury of everything, as you say, but they are not grateful. That's the point. So when you re-emphasize that you need to be grateful for what you have, you need to thankful, you need to be helpful, you need to save trees. So I'm sure these things put in a really positive impact on the children that they are growing up. They don't have any you know what, they don't have they don't have to see the pain. Thankfully, with the grace of God, what is scarcity. Okay, so I'm sure, but whatever the message you pass on through these classes is really helpful, and they should understand that these are also gratitude and sense of this thing is also very important, is what I want to ensure.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for lovely feedback. And I can see great, bright smile throughout on Ikra's face. Ikra's, you know what? This smile keep reflecting in your each artwork and craft. Okay, keep smiling this ways only. And thank you so much, ma'am. Please do share
Thank
your
you, ma'am.
feedback on WhatsApp too.
Thank you, ma'am.
Will do, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye, Betu. Very wonderful work you're doing. Huh? Keep doing. Lots of blessings. I will request Ayansh and Anaika Modi. Ayansh Agrawal and Anaika Modi. Please try to unmute.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Ma'am, just wanted to share one feedback.
Yeah.
So before the class, at least like a day before or so, if you can let us know what raw materials would be needed. Because Ayan really wanted to participate today, but we didn't have 3 bottles of the same size with us.
Okay.
So we couldn't do anything. But
Acha.
the class is good. But if we would know what things are needed, we would be prepared in advance, and then children would enjoy more.
Okay. I will definitely keep this suggestion in mind. And 1 week, we will try to share the material list 5 days before at least, so
Yes,
that they
yes,
can
yes.
at least arrange. Na?
Yes, that would be really great, so that we can
Oh.
arrange if whatever we don't have.
Yeah. Okay, for sure. This is noted and we will take care of it.
Thank
And ma'am,
you.
otherwise, I really want to know about the efforts we are putting towards in the direction like inculcating that to.
Yes, ma'am. That's really good thing. Ikra's mom already shared the valuable feedback. I totally agree with her. We need to make the children at this young age aware of the importance of the environment, and we should not waste resources just like that, and reuse whatever we can, and make such beautiful paintings that it will have creativity. So they'll look at everything from a creative perspective before throwing away anything. That, oh, I could use this in my next craft class or something like that.
Yeah, this is helpful according to you.
Yes, definitely
Okay.
helpful.
Okay,
Thank
thank you
you.
so much, ma'am. Thank you. And for sure, your suggestion will keep in mind because, yes, this is something which should be given consideration that many times the things are supposed to be arranged, not always
Yes.
available at home. So, we will
Yeah.
for sure take care of this. And next time, you will not face any difficulty regarding this.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you
you so
so
much.
much. And, ma'am, please do share your feedback as well.
Sure, yes. Thank
And
you.
you did excellent work, Ayansh. I was able to see you were
thank you.
lost while doing. You were like trying to listen, trying to absorb the instructions, and whatever I was saying, you were listening so carefully. So that is wonderful. And whenever you are able to
He's
get,
also joined your drawing classes recently.
okay,
So
acha.
I think he enjoys, he keeps on waiting for it.
Okay, that's really amazing. See, this joy is the most important thing we should have in our classes. And if parents are forcing that attend your class, then we are not going to explore that inner creativity. If they are doing, then yes, we will be able to
Yes.
do. We will be able to shape that creativity in positive way. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank you.
ma'am. Thank you. Anaika Modi and Inaisha. Inaisha was also earlier with us. Huh? And Anaisha Dubey was also now. Please try to unmute her also. Neha.
Good afternoon.
Hello. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, dear. Yes. Enjoyed? Enjoyed today's session?
Yes.
Okay. Keep making many more of this kind. Okay. Okay. Anaisha Dubey, ma'am, please and try to unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Wow, very good. It's so creatively done. Even the top of the table is so creative.
top of the
Yeah.
table is made by her grandmother.
Wow, very nice. And it is going to look amazing with this top of the table. And you can make the bottles of upper portion, that cap side, lower side, so it will act like legs. You will keep it down also if you want. It's up to your choice. But here, cleaning will be easy because the water can drain out if you keep your plants, or anyways, you can use it. Ma'am,
Okay.
so how was the class, ma'am? I want to know about your suggestions that this kind of efforts of ours to make them.
Always he enjoys a lot. दूसरी क्लासेस एंजॉय करने के लिए मैम वो मना करते हैं बट आपके क्लास के लिए वो हमेशा वेट करते हैं
अच्छा, अरे ये तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट हो गया. थैंक यू सो मच. ये बहुत अच्छी बात है और मेरा मानना है कि ये सोल्जर्स हैं जो हमारे विश्व को बचाएंगे. तो हमें अभी से इनके अंदर ये संस्कार डालने हैं कि ये हर चीज के लिए ग्रैटिट्यूड फील करें, वैल्यू करें. आजकल हमारे न्यूक्लियर फैमिली में 1-2 बच्चे होते हैं. हर चीज इतनी इजीली अवेलेबल है कि मैं देखती हूँ कि बच्चे चीजों को, रिसोर्सेस को वैल्यू कम करते हैं. तो यही सही वक्त है, मुझे लगता है कि इनमें वो संस्कार डालें कि वो हर चीज को वैल्यू करें और हर चीज को रीयूज करके एनवायरमेंट को बचाने की दिशा में अपना योगदान दें.
मैं उसने अपने प्री जूनियर बैच भी ज्वाइन किया था उससे उसने काफी टाइम फर्स्ट प्राइज विन किया.
अरे वाह, बहुत बढ़िया. मैम प्लीज डू शेयर इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन व्हाट्सएप. तो हम ना दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म पे भी इसको शेयर करेंगे ताकि और बच्चे भी मोटिवेट होंगे. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. बहुत अच्छा लगा सुनकर कि इस क्लास के लिए वो आप वेट करते हो अनायशा, और इसी वजह से इतने अच्छे मास्टरपीसेस आप क्रिएट कर पाते हो. जब कोई भी काम हम जॉयफुली करते हैं तो वो जॉय हमारे काम में रिफ्लेक्ट होता है. वेरी गुड अनायशा, दिस इज रियली लवली टेबल यू क्रिएटेड. इसे ना अच्छे से सजा के इस पे कोई आर्टवर्क रख के इसका फोटो अपने साथ शेयर करना मत भूलना. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच मैम. थैंक यू. मैं देख पा रही हूँ आयशी, श्वेता मैम, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. और आयशी चटर्जी, हाँ आप दोनों स्पॉटलाइट हैं, आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट करने की कोशिश करें. प्लीज ट्राई टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. यू बोथ आर स्पॉटलाइट.
Hi, ma'am.
हेलो, हाउ आर यू?
I'm really fine.
Okay, how was the class? Enjoyed?
Yes, this class is really beautiful.
Okay, joyfully you did now. Okay, so now start looking at empty bottles with creative perspective and try to create something useful. Okay?
Still creating this.
Yeah?
Ma'am, I'm still creating this.
Okay, okay. After completing, share the photo. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Shweta A. Please try it. Unmute yourself. Shweta. Hello, ma'am. Please unmute yourself. I can read your screen as Shweta A.
I
Hello, ma'am.
I guess I'm
Yes.
unmute. Yeah, I'm unmute only, I
No,
guess.
no. I can hear you now, ma'am. I can hear you,
Okay, yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, so on the table on your tabletop what you have created, I that my daughter had recreated last week.
Yeah.
We unfortunately we missed this week's activity, but she always attends your all other drawing classes very curiously, and she looks forward to attend your classes.
Wow, that's really amazing.
She is completely into arts and crafts. I mean,
Wow.
her interest level are more inclined towards that. So it was the query from her end, like after the senior batches are done,
Mm, mm.
what will be my future map? Like, will the Leela Bandil ma'am will come up with the next level as well? Like, she doesn't want her journey to end with you. Like, but there should
Wow.
also be a progressive element, right?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, now the majority of the children we have, we are not able to cope up with that upper version, that very mature and I shall use very realistic version, because this kind of classes they needs lots of patience and complete dedication. Like for that kind of artworks, for creating one art, we need almost 100 hours for that minute detailing. So as we don't
So
have that
this
kind of
is
batch.
this is yeah. So my the query was not about art; it was about drawings. The drawing. Since we don't get to interact with you during drawing class, I thought I'll use this window as an opportunity to check with you. Like,
Uh-huh.
will ArtGeo come up with advanced level of drawing classes as well, post senior level?
Yeah, we are trying to introduce few very senior most artists, those who are
Okay,
those who are into it and they are able to cope up with the one-to-one classes, but and
okay,
very famous and renowned ones. So that those, because like only 1% students of our regular classes, they want to proceed with that. So you on
okay.
our platform, you will find very soon. We are looking for it. Many profiles already we received. So we will finalize, and then you will be having this kind of teachers available, like English grammar teacher we already introduced in our RGO classes.
Yes,
Amazing Diksha
yes.
Aswani, like one of the
Yeah, yeah,
one
yeah,
of
yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah. So same ways we are looking for a very experienced teacher in this particular field, upgraded version, who can go with and can even take one-to-one class. So very soon you will be finding this platform and this opportunity also, but not through me, but from other artists, because my
All
schedule
right.
is already so much occupied, and more less than 1% students want to go with like that upgraded one. So yes, we will be having teachers. If you want to go with them, then that learning will be available.
All right. So good to know that roadmap is there going forward, like up in
Yeah,
upcoming years.
yeah.
All right, ma'am. Thank
Thank you
you.
so
Thank
much.
you for your
Thank you
time.
so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. And Adya Sharma. Adya Sharma, will you please unmute yourself? If other students also, yes, Adya Sharma. Hello, ma'am. Please try to unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Please do share your feedback for this kind of classes where we are training them
Ma'am,
to save environment.
Ma'am, this is awesome. My child is very happy to join this.
Acha, that's amazing. That's amazing. And the best part, they are learning. This have started looking in something creative and started reusing things which is needed urgently. So very happy that children are enjoying. Ma'am, I think your video is paused.
देखेंगे तो वो बहुत सुंदर बनाती भी है उसको। ड्राइंग,
Okay.
आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट का बहुत शौक है और आपके साथ जब से ज्वाइन हुई है और निखर गया है उसका।
अच्छा, चलो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है और ये सुन के बहुत खुशी होती है क्योंकि पेरेंट्स का सबसे बड़ा डाउट यही होता है कि ऑनलाइन में बच्चे सीखेंगे कैसे, है ना? 1 घंटा ऑनलाइन में बैठना मुश्किल है, लेकिन जब पेरेंट्स के रिव्यू में सुनती हूँ कि बच्चे जॉयफुली अटेंड कर रहे हैं, पेरेंट्स को प्रेशराइज नहीं करना पड़ता कि चलो अब क्लास है, बैठो, है ना? अक्सर ऑनलाइन क्लास में ये होता है, तो बड़ी खुशी होती है कि बच्चे एंजॉय करते हैं क्लासेस। ये सबसे
बहुत बहुत मैम, मैं यहाँ पे ऑफलाइन खोज खोज के परेशान हो गई, मुझे नहीं मिल रहा था ऑफलाइन में। मतलब और ये जब से ये मतलब आपका ऐसे ही रेडमली मेरे सामने आ गया सडन, तो मैंने ज्वाइन किया और उसके बाद ये जब मैंने कहा पहला क्लास करो, फ्री डेमो क्लास जो होता है, तो किया, इसे बहुत पसंद आया, तो मैंने कहा कि चलो अब तुम कंटिन्यू करो, अच्छा लग रहा है।
अच्छा। अच्छा मैम, एक चीज और बताइए, कौन से बैच में है आपका चाइल्ड?
ये 8 to 10 है।
8 to 10, ये कौन से जूनियर बैच में?
मैम इसका 9 years ओल्ड है।
हाँ हाँ, जूनियर बैच में। मैम मुझे एक बात बताइए, जैसे जो स्टोरीज में शेयर करने की कोशिश करती हूँ, क्या इसका
हाँ, हाँ।
इम्पैक्ट आपने इसके बिहेवियरल पैटर्न में देखा है धीरे धीरे? जैसे
मैम
स्टोरीज में मैं अक्सर बताती हूँ कि ना चीजों के लिए वैल्यू करो, है ना, हेल्पफुल रहो, पोलाइट रहो,
हाँ
डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल रहो, वेस्ट मत करो चीजें, ये सब बातें मैं अक्सर बोलती रहती हूँ।
हाँ हाँ मैम, बहुत ध्यान तो नहीं दिया है, लेकिन मतलब काफी अच्छा लगता है इसको, और चेंजेस तो आएंगे। अभी ज्यादा दिन नहीं हुआ है इसको ज्वाइन किए, 1 महीना
अच्छा
भी नहीं हुआ है।
अच्छा अच्छा,
हाँ
ओके, अभी बहुत ही कम टाइम हुआ है, चलो।
हाँ, बहुत
लेकिन
कम
आप
टाइम
जब भी ये चीजें देखना शुरू करें मैम, आप हमें जरूर बताइएगा, क्योंकि आपकी, हमारी, हम दोनों की, यानी पेरेंट्स की और टीचर की, हमारी कोशिश यही है कि हम इन बच्चों में वो संस्कार डाल पाएं जो एक अच्छे विश्व का निर्माण करें। तो आप जब
बिल्कुल।
भी ये चीजें देखें कि अब ये इनकलकेट हो रही है, हमें भी पता चले कि हम कितने सक्सेस हो रहे हैं इस मिशन में।
नहीं मैम, बहुत अच्छा आपने ये स्टार्ट किया है, थैंक यू सो मच। बहुत सारे बच्चे फायदा उठा रहे हैं और मोस्टली मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ। बहुत डिमांड थी मेरी ये क्लासेस, बहुत बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा आपने स्टार्ट किया है।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम, थैंक यू सो मच, और आप सबके सपोर्ट और प्रेम की वजह से ये हो पाया है।
मैम
थैंक यू।
देखिए ना, आते आगे बनाइए आप, ऐसे
अरे
देखिए।
वाह, कितना सुंदर है, ये डिटेलिंग पे कितना अच्छा काम किया है। बहुत
मैम
बढ़िया। आद्या, अपना चेहरा दिखाओ। मेरी प्यारी सी आर्टिस्ट का चेहरा तो देखो, बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, बहुत बढ़िया। यानी इस ड्राइंग में साफ नजर आ रहा है कि कितने डेडिकेशन से आपने, अटेंटिवनेस के साथ आपने एक एक इंस्ट्रक्शन को सुना है। बहुत अच्छा काम है। आप अपने आर्टवर्क शेयर करते हो ना मुझे?
यस मैम, डाली है उसमें एक, देखिए ये वाला भी है, ये देखिए जो
बहुत
फर्स्ट इससे
बढ़िया। नहीं,
फर्स्ट
बहुत
वाला।
अच्छा हाथ है इनका, बहुत नीट और स्टेबल वर्क है इनका।
हाँ,
वेरी
स्कूल
गुड।
में भी A+ आता है इसका ड्राइंग में, और जब से ज्वाइन की और निखर गया है इसका।
चलो, हम मिलकर इन्हें और निखारेंगे, यही हमारी कोशिश है। और जब इनका हाथ सेटल हो जाएगा, फिर हम इन्हें सीनियर बैच में प्रमोट करेंगे, तो सीनियर
बिल्कुल
बैच में ये और भी ज्यादा अपग्रेडेड टेक्निक सीख पाएंगे।
मोर वाला। मैम ये
ओके।
मोर वाला जो आपने भी बनवाया है, इसने इसकी पंख तक बनाई है, मतलब ये अपना भी एफर्ट डालती है इसमें, खुद से भी
हाँ,
करती
मैं
है।
बता रही हूँ ना, बच्चों में अपनी क्रिएटिविटी बहुत होती है, उन्हें बस एक आइडिया मिल जाए ना, फिर आप
हाँ।
देखो कि वो अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को नेक्स्ट लेवल ले जाते हैं। जैसे मैंने आज ये टेबल सिखाई, अब आप
अच्छा।
देखोगे कि बच्चे अपनी क्रिएटिविटी से न जाने क्या क्या चीजें यूज करके इसको नया रूप दे देंगे। तो ये बच्चों के अंदर क्रिएटिविटी ऑलरेडी छुपी है, हमें बस एक दिशा देनी है उनको। और
बस इसको।
हाँ, हमारी संडे की क्लासेस बस एक ये दिशा है कि बच्चे हर चीज में क्रिएटिविटी देखें, उसे रीयूज करने की कोशिश करें। थैंक यू सो मच मैम, अपना फीडबैक व्हाट्सएप पे जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा।
मैम बिल्कुल बिल्कुल मैम, थैंक
थैंक
यू।
यू सो मच, थैंक यू। अब मैं रियांश के देख पा रही हूँ, हमारे फॉर्चुनेटली हमारे बीच पापा भी हैं, तो रियांश फादर, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ सर। हेलो सर, ट्राई टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
Yeah, hello, ma'am.
हेलो, हाउ आर यू सर?
Yeah, I'm good, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So
This was really awesome, and Rayans was watching this session. It is my mistake that I didn't provide him to all this, activity and instrument like that. I don't. He doesn't have right now.
okay, not to worry because you will be getting the recording of this complete class on YouTube. Okay. So whenever you have things arranged, you can make your small corner table, plant stand, and even a stool to sit. Okay. But now
Yeah.
onwards, you will collect each and every bit of plastic and make eco brick, Riyansh, and you will try to reuse. Okay. Let's be a soldier to save the environment. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, please share your feedback like this kind of craft which we have come up with. Best out of waste. How, like, what is your opinion and suggestion about? Are they helpful or any other suggestion? If you have, please let us know.
Feedback is good, ma'am. It's a good initiative from your side that you are teaching the student like that how to gratitude the student start gratituding, and it's a good platform, and I appreciate you, and I'm very thankful to teach you my child like that. So
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. It's really a pleasure to have father also today with us. And please do share your
today
feedback.
it's his a first class, so
Acha.
he wants to join a regular classes, so that's why.
Okay,
Uh,
okay. So you can talk to my team for that concern. You will find the number in description. And now onwards, we will share the material list 5 days before so that students could be ready and he could attend craft class every Sunday. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback. Thank you. And I think now we can wind up because if an other mom they feel like to talk, they can raise their hands so that we can unmute them. Otherwise, we will wind up. Thank you so much, all the children, all parents. है ना? And now, my dear children, start preparing your eco break, है ना? So that we can use each and every bit of plastic because when we throw it carelessly, na, many times animals they are eating. And a big, like I remember in Balkeshwar in Agra, one cow was fainted down near park, and like stomach was like it was like a balloon. And when doctors came and examined, 40 kg ball of plastic was found in stomach of this cow. Can you imagine 40 kg? So what we are doing with these innocent animals, and this wrappers of medicines, earbud, this kind of small tiny particle of plastic, we are simply throwing with biodegradable garbage, and even many times broken glass pieces. है ना, कोई कांच की बोतल टूट गई तो हमने बिना उसको अखबार में या मैं तो बोलती हूँ उसको अच्छे से कलेक्ट करके जंक डीलर को दे दो, कबाड़ी वाले को, तो कम से कम वो मेल्ट होके दोबारा कांच में काम आएगी। पर उसको प्लीज कचरे में मत फेंकिए क्योंकि जानवर मुंह से खाते हैं डायरेक्ट और कई बार ये इतनी सीवियर इंजरी कॉज करती है। तो बी लिटिल like considerate and compassionate about these animals as well. So it's now our responsibility to take care to segregate the garbage. Okay. So with a smile, we started the class, and I want to wind up also with a smile. So come on, show me a thumbs up with a buddy wali smile. Thank you. Okay, and create many more plant stand of this kind. Take care. Bye bye. Lots of blessings.